Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? Today is a special day in my household. We are doing what we call Operation Shoebox through Samaritan Purse, and we're doing a shoebox packing. And I have little elves that is helping me out today to put boxes together. So I'm going to show you guys the boxes. So my daughter is laughing because she's like, oh my gosh, my mom did not say she has little elves helping her. I call them my little elves, my little helpers. So these are the shoe boxes. Let me show you. And so these are the shoe boxes. And see, look at that. Samaritan Purse Operation Christmas Child. And so these boxes, individual boxes, will go to different parts of the country to bless children that never ever had Christmas gift in their life. We don't sometimes we know where they go, and other times we don't know certain countries that they go to. They don't always disclose because they are in a remote area and so forth and so on. But this is boxes that they get during the Christmas or after Christmas during the what you call that, Easter celebration. So children get this from all around the world. A lot of them never receive a gift. And I am so thankful that we are able to do this every year and bless children from all around the world. And there is 50 of these boxes that we have to put together. And these are my helpers. There's my Jolina and her dear friend. And we are just so thankful that they can come and help me out. And I have a whole bunch of stuff that I have to put in these shoe boxes and gifts of all sorts. We put school supplies, toys, clothes, and things like that. Unfortunately, we can't put any liquid of any sort just because it's not accepted. So just like I said, if you guys want to ever support this organization, look them up and be a blessing to this organization and children from all around the world. All right, take care. God bless. Bye.